Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer your TRX from Revolut to Metamask in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tron cryptocurrency for better control or to dive into DeFi, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, I'll keep things simple and straightforward. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Revolut account with TRX and a Metamask wallet set up. If you don't, download the Metamask app or extension and create a new wallet. It's free and secure. Once that's done, open Metamask and switch to the Tron network if needed, as TRX operates on its own blockchain. Got that? Great. Next, in your Metamask wallet, copy your TRX wallet address. This is crucial. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check it to avoid any mishaps. Now, head over to your Revolut app. Navigate to your crypto section, select TRX, and look for the withdraw or transfer option. Paste that Metamask address into the recipient field. Revolut might ask for confirmation details like the amount and network fees, so enter those carefully. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review everything. In 2025, crypto regulations and fees could vary, so check for any updates in the app. Once you're sure, proceed with the withdrawal. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once the transfer is complete, go back to Metamask and refresh your wallet. You should see your TRX appear. To wrap this up, always prioritize security, use two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.